Good morning बच्चों. Today date is 6th of September 2021 and we are going to do worksheet number 13. As here it is written better, you will also have to write your name and roll number on every worksheet. Okay, so we are starting the worksheet. Game turned out to a mathematical game. Priya and Riya played a game of rope skipping on their roof. Riya told Didi means Priya, we will play game by a new method today. Okay, you will skip rope single time, then I will skip the rope 2 more times than you. That is 1 plus 2, 3 times. Okay, then you will again skip the rope 2 more than me. That is 3 plus 2, 5 times. Then I will again skip the rope 2 times more than you. That is 5 plus 2, 7 times. Whoever will get tired and not be able to skip rope further will lose the game. Game started and last Priya skipped 21 times, and when Riya started to skip the game, skip 23 times, she could only skip 11 times and told her sister that you had won the game. Didi, Priya, we should add how many times we both have skipped the rope. Priya said yes, let's do. Now let's see. Riya said that Didi looked the magic carefully. Now what have actually happened? Now Priya was the first to skip. She skipped 1 time only. Riya, she added 2 to it and she skipped 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Then Priya again, she added 2 to 3 and she skipped 5 times. Next Riya 7 times. Then Priya 9, then Riya 11, Priya 13, Riya 15, Priya 17, 19 and then 21. ओके बेटा, सभी को समझ में आ रहा है ना? प्रिया ने एक बार और रिया ने फिर उसमें 2 और ऐड किया तो 3 टाइम्स हो गया. प्रिया ने फिर 2 ऐड किया तो 5 टाइम्स, इसलिए 2 ऐड करते जा रहे हैं और इस तरह से ये सीरीज बनती जा रही है. Now what we have to observe बेटा कि 1 is 1, okay? And 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 1 plus 4 plus 5, 9. And 9 plus 7 again 16. 16 plus 9 is 25 and so on. Now, till now we have read the squares of numbers. So square of 1 is 1. Okay. Now 4. What is 4? 4 is 2 square. 2 multiplied by 2. Similarly 9 is 3 square. 3 multiplied by 3. 16 is 4 square, 4 multiplied by 4 and so on. So if we are observing carefully, what we will get? That if we are adding the odd numbers right from the beginning, the very first odd number 1, if we are adding just one odd number, it is the first square number. If I am adding 2 odd numbers, we will get square of second number, that is 4. 2. Square of 2 is 4. If I am adding 3 odd numbers, first 3 odd numbers, so I will be getting square of 3, 9. If I am adding first 4 square numbers, I am getting square of 4, 16. So basically हम जितने square ऐड कर रहे हैं, first 5 odd numbers ऐड करेंगे तो we will get the square of 5. First 6 ऐड करेंगे तो square of 6. If I am adding first 7, so I will be getting square of 7 and so on. Some are first odd numbers, some are first 2 odd, first 3 odd. If I am adding first 3 odd number, I will be getting square of 3. I am adding first 7 odd numbers, I will be getting square of 7. Okay beta? First 11 odd numbers add कर देंगे तो square of 11. 11 is 121 हमें मिल जाएगा. अब second है finding square root. You will know how to find the square. It is very easy. To find the square, what we have to do? If we have to find the square of 11, we will multiply 11 by 11, number by itself. Twice we have to multiply. Now, how to find the square root? We can also find out the square root of any number using this method. Priya, how? Riya, Didi, look here. If I want to find the square root of the number 25, that is 5. 5 is the square root, we know. Okay. And how to find it? We can find it by subtracting consecutive odd numbers. So we are starting here beta, like first step will be from 25. I will be subtracting first odd number. So it will become 24. Okay. Now from the result, that is 24, I'll be subtracting the second odd number. Next one, 3. So it will be 21. Now from 21, from the result 21, next odd number, that is 5. So it will become 16. Now from 16, next is 1, 3, 5, then 7. I'm subtracting 7. So 9. And now from 9, the next one, 1, 3, 5, 7, next is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. So whenever we are subtracting the consecutive odd numbers and the result is 0, that means that number is a perfect square. Okay? अगर हमें 0 मिल जाएगा बेटा इस तरह से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते करते, ऑड नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते करते 0 मिल रहा है, इसका मतलब वो जो नंबर गिवन था दैट इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओके. And how many steps we have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means square root of 25. How it is represented? This is the symbol of a square root. Square root of 25 is 5. We write like this. It is represented like this. Square root of 25 is 5. Since 5 steps we have done, we have subtracted first 5 odd numbers. So square root of 25 is 5. Okay. Now let's do some questions. How many times Priya and Riya both have skipped the row? So this is the total number. Okay, 21. After 21 square, that means 121. And what else was given? She could only skip 11 times. 11 times उसने और किया, so we are adding 11 also to it. How much it becomes? 132. 121 टोटल बेटा जो स्किपिंग हुई यहाँ तक. ओके. और इसके बाद रिया ने फिर कूदा कितना बेटा? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स शी स्किप? जस्ट 11 टाइम्स. सो वी हैव एडेड 11 टू इट. इट बिकम्स 132. नाउ हाउ मेनी टाइम्स प्रिया हैड स्किप द रो? सो प्रिया के हम देखेंगे. प्रिया ने पहले 1, देन आफ्टर 1 5, then after 5 9, then 13. So 9 plus 13 plus 17 and 21, 6 times. Okay, so these numbers we have to add. What will be easiest method? As it is a pattern, we can add in pair. Like we can add 1 with 21, it will become 22. 17 with 5, again 22, and this is also 22. 3 times we are getting 22. So that means it becomes 66. Priya skipped 66 times. Similarly, we can write for Riya. How many times Riya had skipped the row? So Riya का check कर लेते हैं बेटा. Riya first 3 times, then 7 times, then 11 times. So first 3 times, then 7 times, then 11 times, then 15 times, and then 19 times. After that, she had to skip 23 times, but she managed only 11. So we have to add this. So again, this is 22, 22, and 11, 11, 22. 3 times again 22. That means again 66. So both have skipped same number of times. Okay. दोनों ने 66 skip किया. So what do you think? Who has won the game? Riya or Priya? That means nobody has won the game. Both have skipped same number of times, 66. But अगर हम actually technically देखें तो Riya has to skip 23 times, but she could manage only 11. That means Priya has won the game. Okay. Now last question is, check from the following numbers whether they are the square of any whole number or not. Also find out the square root if it is a perfect square. So in our previous worksheet we have learned beta the unit place. I am writing here the unit place of squared numbers can be 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. Square number ends with this digit. It can't end with, that means 2, 3, 7 and 8. So that means it can't be a perfect square. You have to write it 128 can't be a square because it is ending with 8. Second is 289. Now it ends with 9. So it can be a square, perfect square. Square number I can also write. Square number. Now how to check it whether it is a perfect square or not? So we'll start doing consecutive subtraction of odd numbers. So first I am subtracting 1 from it. It becomes 288. Okay. Next, from 288 subtract 3. It will become 285. Now from 285 you have to subtract 5. So 280. Now from 280 next is 7. So 273. Now from 273 you have to subtract 9. That means 264. After 9 what you have to subtract? 11. So how much it will become? 2053. Now from 253 you have to subtract 13. So it will become 240. Now from 240, 15. That means 225. Now from 225, what you have to subtract? 17. So 208. Now from 208, 19. How much will it become, beta? 200. Okay, beta. Now from 208, I am subtracting 19. So what we will get? 189. Now from 189, next odd number is 21. So what will we get? 168. Now from 168, next is what? 23. Very good. 23. So what will it become? 5. 145. So now from 145, next is 25. This one is easy. 120. Now from 120, next is 27. So it will become 93. Now from 93, 29. So it will become 4 and 64. So 64 minus, next is 31. So 33. And 33 minus 33 will get 0. We are getting 0. That means 289 is a perfect square. It is a square number. So what is the square root? We have to just count the number of steps. How many odd numbers? We are subtracting first odd numbers. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am writing the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total 17 steps are there. That means square root of 289 is 17. This is how you are going to do this question. Similarly, 77, it ends with 7. That means it can't be a perfect square. 144 ends with 4. So it can be. You have to check it like this only. Subtract the consecutive odd number starting from 1 and you will get the answer. Similarly, 153 ends with 3. So it can't be a square number. This way you have to do all the questions. Do it in your notebook. Do write your name on your work and check it for correction to your teacher. Okay? And always wear a mask to fight against COVID-19. Watch the video. Do watch all the videos, beta, because it will help in clearing your concepts. Okay? Thank you.